In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Teams installation has failed error. Method 1. Delete from local cache. Right-click on taskbar. Select Task Manager. Click in Search. Type Team. Right-click on Microsoft Teams. Select End Task for both of them. Now right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type the following location or paste it from the description. Then click on OK. Double-click on Local Cache. Open Microsoft. Delete MS Teams. After this, try installing Microsoft Teams again. Method 2. Uninstall app. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now, click on Installed Apps. Here, search for Teams. Click on 3 dots and select Uninstall. After doing so, click on Windows icon and restart your computer. Then try installing Teams again. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Teams installation has failed. See you in the next video.